to my channel. I know I have not been uploading consistently is because there was a lot going around and something actually happened to our bedroom because of something, but everything is solved with that. But I might talk about it in another video. But for this video, we are going to be trying out snacks all the way from Alaska. And as y'all can see, I'm wearing a Alaska hoodie. If you're wondering where I got these snacks from, no, I haven't been to Alaska yet, but these snacks are actually sent from one of my best friends, the closest friends of mine. She lives in Alaska, so she sent me these snacks for me to try out because these snacks, we don't have any of it here in Hawaii. So I'm super excited but also nervous at the same time. That being said, let's try out our snack. So this is a whole full bag of snacks, and it says Alaska, and it's right here. It is packed with so many snacks. So our first snacks I'm gonna try is the moose nuggets. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, moose nuggets. It's peanut butter filled pretzels covered in chocolate and toasted coconuts. This sounds good.
Look at this dude.
I got it open. So it's in this. Ooh. Gosh. Okay. Duh. So I'm gonna eat one of it. Well, it's not bad. It's almost like Butterfinger. I'll actually give this like an 8 out of 10. Here's a close up. I don't know if you can see that. On to our next snack. Next one is the smoked salmon fillet. I have to open this up. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Should have brought a scissor. Finally got it open. Oh. Okay. It's actually in the package. A gold package. It's like I want the Willy Wonka ticket. What the? Why is it? It's like there's liquid inside. No way. You hear that? It's like there's liquid inside. Okay, we're opening it.
Bruh.
No way. No way. What? Do y'all see that? Like, it's wet. It's cooked fish in here. What? I've literally thought it was gonna be like dry fish, like beef jerky. Here is the fish. This is bad. This is bad. Do not recommend. Man, my mouth tastes like fish, y'all. Like, I should have made that go last because That was terrible. Moving on to our next snack. Next one is Alaska Delia's candy. I don't know why it says Delia's candy. Will this actually kill me? Enough of the talk, we're going to taste test this one. Oh, for the salmon, the smoked salmon, I give it a 7 out of 10. So this is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3. The filling is caramel, and this is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, this is actually good. I'll give this a 9 out of 10. This is pretty good. If you love dark chocolate, caramel, and sea salt, then this candy is free. So if you visit Alaska, this is the name of the candy box. Moving on to our next thing. For this, we're not gonna try this, or maybe later, or maybe not. So keep on moving on to the next one. Is the Alaska's Best Wild King Salmon Jerky. Wow. So here it is. Here is the packaging. So this is how this jerky look like. And let it focus on here. Okay, whatever, it's not gonna focus, so let's try. Oh my god. This is not what I expected.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
That is disgusting. But anyways, on to the next snack. Popcorn. Yes, gourmet popcorn. It's Klondike caramel corn, Alaskan sweet beans. I don't like popcorn. This is good. I'll actually give this an 8 out of 10. Next one is gourmet popcorn Alaska style. Go caramelized aged cheddar. This one is the cheddar. The other one I ate was caramel. So this one is cheddar. Oh, this one is cheddar and caramel. Not bad. I give this also an 8 out of 10. And on to our next one is candy bars. Caramel, milk chocolate, and this one. Oh, almonds are my favorite. And this one is the almond milk chocolate. Not bad. I'll give this, what is this one again? Caramel milk chocolate. 8 out of 10. Chocolate bar we got to taste test is this one, the almond milk chocolate. It's okay, but it was not something I expected. It's alright. I'll give this like 8 out of 10 as well. So moving on to our other chocolate bars. Raspberry dark chocolate. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. Our next one is the sea salt. Moving on to our next one. Almonds and dark chocolate. I'll definitely give that a 8 out of 10. Down to our last one. It's pure milk chocolate. Pure. The moment of truth. What? This is good. Pure milk chocolate, recommend. This is so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love this one. This is so good. Out of all the candy bars that I have eaten, this one is the bomb. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this of me taste testing snacks or food or whatever, comment down below which one you guys want me to taste test for you guys, and I'll definitely do it. Sorry for not being consistent on my YouTube channel, but more videos and bomb videos are coming soon, so don't forget to turn your post notification on and stay tuned for more uploaded videos that will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.